Hey guys, it's Eddie over here at Indian Head Chrysler. Today I'm going to take a look at one of our 2021 units on the lot. This is a nice one. I think a lot of people have kind of been waiting on this. This is the new Grand Caravan for 2021. So what they did is they shifted over from the Dodge over to the Chrysler. Gave it a nice refresh on the outside. On the interior, it looks super nice. Very, very nice vehicle. And they kept that price a little bit lower, so it's still a great economical van with a very nice refresh. I'll switch the camera around here. We'll do a full walk around video on it, and we'll go from there. Okay, so here we are taking a look at the 2021 Chrysler Grand Caravan. This is an SXT, so it has a lot of super nice options on here. As you can see by taking a look at the outside, if you're a fan of the Pacifica, this is going to be right up your alley. It's been redesigned to keep that same style, the same nice sleek lines, clean look to these vans, and they kept that alive and well on the Grand Caravan. Beautiful van. This one, of course, will have, with it being an SXT, has the power liftgate, the power sliding doors, the remote start, your heated seats, heated steering wheel. It's a very well loaded vehicle here. You gotta love those power sliding doors. You just lift the handle and away it goes. Of course, they kept the stow and go seats on the second and third row, so that's a very nice option. Same idea. Stows and goes into the floor. You got a nice open area here for cargo, groceries, your pets. A lot of people use these vans to carry their pets around. Here you have your DVD player. There you are. You got your controls right up at the top here with the actual player right on the ceiling mounted as well. So it's all in this one place, as opposed to before how you'd have to put in the DVD over there and this and that. The driver had to be involved. This is just quite a lot easier. As you can see over on the other side, the temperature controls are actually right up on the ceiling there. They have a little external display to show the temperature. Right now it's locked to the front, so it doesn't have that, but a lot of really subtle and great features on these vans. So if we take a look at the front here, and it keeps that nice clean look going here. This one will of course have your power seats right down there. Has your lumbar support as well, and these seats are very comfortable. Like, I was sitting in here when I was moving it around, took it for a little spin, and drives super nice, very comfortable seats. And this is the Uconnect with the 7-inch screen. Again, very clean looking interface. The way that they redesigned everything is right there. So whatever you're looking for, it's really just, you know, a matter of moving your arm a little bit, and it's all within reachable distance. You have your USB ports down there. You have extra storage that pops out on here. And of course that same, you know, the Chrysler glow is what I like to call it. They use that in a lot of their vehicles, whether it's the 300, the Pacificas, and now the Grand Caravans here. Now I wanted to show you the storage space in the back, the cargo space as well. Like I mentioned, this does have the power liftgate right on there, your remote start, and then your power sliding doors. Just click that twice, close right up, and you have your nice cargo space down here. That's really nice how these dip down, so you have all of this cargo space. And then of course you can have your seats folded up, directions right on there, super easy to do. You got your storage space on the sides here. Now this one, with this cargo part being down here, it doesn't have a spare. So what they do is they send one of these little kits for you. It's an inflatable kit. So if you have a spare, then you have that at least to get you to the closest shop. But if you buy a vehicle from us, you got your roadside assistance, right? You don't need to. You make a phone call, somebody will come pick you up. It is that easy here at Indian Head Chrysler. And there's a quick look from the back here. And close that up. There you are. Absolutely stunning van. I really like these. I think I already have customers who have been calling me and asking me about, oh, when are they coming? They're finally here. I have two on the lot, this SXT, and then one that's a little bit of a base model, so it has a little less options, but they still share that, you know, super nice, clean look that that Chrysler has given these vans. So there you go. That's a quick look at the 2021 Chrysler Grand Caravan SXT that we have on the lot here. Absolutely beautiful vehicle. I have two. If I turn around here, you'll be able to see the nice billet silver one that I have across over there. So whether you're looking for a fully loaded one similar to this one, or one that's has a little less bells and whistles but still looks just as nice, that's the one there for you. And these are priced really well. Like I mentioned before, these are kind of going to be the economical option on the Chrysler lineup. It gives you that really nice van with a nicer price, a little easier on the pocketbook for sure. With this one, you get the cold weather group, of course, like I mentioned, the remote start, heated seats, heated steering wheel, all that stuff. You also get the safety tech group, so that's nice to have in a van. If you're hauling your family around, you want to make sure that they're safe. Everything from advanced brake assist, pedestrian, cyclist emergency braking, so if somebody runs across the road, the van will actually pick that up and brake for you. The blind spot, of course, monitoring system, forward collision. There are so many options on here. Many reasons to come in, take this for a test drive, and drive it away. We're giving you a few more reasons though. With our 30,000 more reasons to buy from Indian Head Chrysler. That's going on right now. It's going on all year long. If you don't know about it, get on our website, check out our Facebook. We've plastered it everywhere. We're on the radio as well. You'll be able to hear it on the radio. And basically, if you buy this vehicle or any of the vehicles on the lot, whether new or used, you get entered to win, entered into our sweepstakes. So that's $30,000 sweepstakes draw. That's taking place at the end of the year. We're going to pick one lucky winner. There's a poker chip. There's a barrel full of poker chips in our showroom right now. Every time you buy a vehicle, you get a poker chip with your name on it, your number. It goes right into the bin. At the end of the year, however many we have, that's your odds. And I mean, you're looking at a better odds of winning $30,000 here at Indian Head Chrysler after getting a great deal on a vehicle than you would winning the lottery, to be honest with you. If we sell 300 cars, you get 1 in 300 chances. That's amazing odds. So if you're looking for a vehicle, new or used, you're looking for a Chrysler Grand Caravan, you're looking for some of our other 2021 vehicles, like our TRX that's in production right now. We have a 2021 Durango, beautiful vehicle. I'm going to be making a video on that one pretty soon because it's so nice. Durango RT with the new Uconnect system, absolutely amazing. Whatever you're looking for, we got a Wrangler 4xe that's on the way as well. That's being built right now. A lot of great things going on down here at Indian Head Chrysler for 2021. 30,000 more reasons, it's just one of them. But there are many reasons to come down here. So give us a shout. Give me a call. 306-695-2254 is our number here. You can reach us through Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, whatever, YouTube. Check out our YouTube channel. Whatever, whichever way you want to contact us. We'll be there for you. We'll be answering your questions. And if you want to come down and take this for a test drive, definitely let me know. Check out our full inventory at www.ihchrysler.ca. Thanks for watching, everybody.